Hi everyone, I'm Chadwick.
I'm Joe, and together we're Big Idea Design.
In 2016, we launched our first titanium pocket tool.
And today we're excited to show you our newest version of the titanium pocket tool.
Joe and I strive to take our previous designs to the next level, so we focused on 4 areas to make the TPT slide even better than the original. First, a one-handed sliding operation with 2 secure lockout points. That's user-friendly for both left and right-handed users. Second, we designed a unique removable pocket clip that doesn't use any screws to preserve the minimal look. Next, we adjusted the jimping to improve the strength of the universal wrench. And lastly, the TPT slide is now machined from thicker titanium plates to make the entire tool our strongest version yet. In addition to all these improvements, the new version still maintains all of the useful features of the original titanium pocket tool, making it deceivingly versatile for its ultra-low pocket profile.
Thanks for checking out the project. We're excited to have you join us to bring this new version to life. Thank you.
Thank you. Yeah.
I'm confused.
I think you're right.